model, 64-plate Fiat Doblo 1.3 Multijet 16-valve low mileage long MOT needs. Body, multicolor, panel van. Mileage, 94,400. MOT, the 18th of July 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 263A2000A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Run really well. I will occasionally go into limp mode every now and then due to injector number 3 being faulty. Straightforward, simple repair gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.